What's up guys, Apex Corner here. Thanks for joining me here with another video. So I wanted to do a reintroduction to my car. I know I previously showed you my car. That was sort of a quick walk around. Today I just wanted to do a thorough walk around just to show you guys where I'm at with this thing. So I've had it wrapped for about 4 months now. It's been holding up pretty well against the winter. Not too bad of a job for my first time. I wasn't really expecting perfection, but I was definitely going for that. We're not going to show you the rear bumper right now, partly because I don't want you to see it, and well, it's mostly because I kind of rushed through the rear bumper and haven't really gotten a chance to redo it. If you guys want to check it out, there it is. I'm sure on camera you won't really be able to pick up the really terrible parts, but if I point them out, for example, this huge pocket of air, couldn't really get that tucked back in, especially with the cold times coming in. It just expanded the vinyl, so it made a giant air pocket. The rear bumper is very difficult for me. I rushed through it because I was on a time crunch. Now when I say I haven't really gotten a chance to redoing it, I mean I've been lazy this whole entire time. It's the rear bumper, guys. Who cares? I never see the rear bumper. Only the people behind me do. However, the rest of the car is brilliant. Love it. There are a few mistakes. Very minimal. It's majority on the rear bumper. Just a few. If you've noticed, door handles, mirrors, spoiler, and the hood scoop were not wrapped. I left that, the original paint. Kind of forgot my reason. I think it looks good like that. I said I wasn't going to do the front bumper because it was just way too hard, and as suggested, I didn't. I took that to a shop. They wrapped the front bumper for me. Give me some credit, guys, because I tried it out. I attempted to wrap the bumper. It just it was very difficult. Couldn't really do it on my own or properly, so took it to the professionals. They did a fantastic job. They did it for me in one day. They knew I was on a time crunch too. Really awesome of them to do that. Fender, hood, roof, doors, quarter fender, everything looks good for the most part. The doors were a little tough, partly because I had to take apart the door handles, which is not fun. The spoiler, guys, I'm sure you know why I didn't do that. It's just too difficult. I have to take the spoiler apart and do it to pieces and then wrap from there, or I could just throw on vinyl and see what I could do from there, but I'd rather just leave it blank. Not blank, but the original paint along with the door handles and side mirrors. So total time for me wrapping the entire car, that includes taking it apart, everything obviously, about a week. Doing the roof, quarter fenders, the fenders, the hood. Thankfully, my trunk is carbon fiber, so I didn't have to do that, nor did I want to do that. I mean, it wouldn't have been that hard, but yeah, looks good like that. And of course I have the OEM spoiler on it. I had to drill holes into the trunk and line it up because I didn't really want the wingless look. If you guys want to see some more ugliness, check all that out. Now I think it took me about, if I remember correctly, it took me like 45 minutes to do the rear bumper. Normally it takes about 2 hours, but I did this very quickly. I think it looks not good, but not terrible, not completely terrible for the most part. I mean, I did this in a very short amount of time. The good news is there's no air bubbles except that guy. That's, I don't know if you could say that's a crater, but that's not really a bubble. Everything else is nice and flat. Obviously I had to use knifeless tape for this bit to get this nice and flat, otherwise I would have had pockets here and here. I tried using the knifeless tape on the parts above the exhaust, but no such luck, so I kind of just went with it. So yeah guys, if you're thinking about wrapping your car, try it. I would suggest starting out with small bits and pieces, doing the roof, maybe the hood. Flatter surfaces is probably a good start, and then just work your way around with that, guys. It just takes time and patience. Since on this channel we also do home remodeling and things of that caliber, I thought I'd show you guys this really cool garage project that we've been working on for quite some time. Oh yes. Now bear in mind guys, this is a work in progress, so please, I apologize for the mess. As DJT would say, this is a shithole. And if you don't know who I'm referring to, that would be our president-elect. That's what I like to call him, DJT. But anyways guys, here's the garage. Very nice, double doors on this side, single door on that side. It's still a work in progress, like I said. We do got a couch. This used to belong to my brother. He was about to throw it out, but I said, hey, you know, when this thing is done, I could have a couch in there. Could make this nice hangout spot. A lot of space. Obviously, there's still a good amount left in order to complete this, but I do have big plans for this, guys. Ultimately, I want to turn this thing into my workshop, or as the headquarters for Apex Corner, guys. It'd be really cool. Good amount of space to work on my car, or vinyl wrapping, because I know I still need to do that for the truck as well as my car. There's still some bits and pieces that need to be redone, don't you worry. But at the same time, I want to make it into a nice hangout place, guys. Hence this janky old couch. You know, just a place to come relax, have a few friends over. Obviously when it's not this cold, but when things start to heat up, it'd be really cool. Especially working on cars, guys, we have a lot of space. Definitely gonna need a lot more tools. The tools you're seeing around here are more inclined for a house as opposed to a automobile. Still, guys, it'll be really cool to have all this space here. We're not gonna have cars parked in here all the time, and if we do, they're going right out there, except my car. And let me know what you guys think. There's still quite a ways to go, but we do have the basic part done. We got motors in, we got nice LED lights, and just like that sign right there, it's beautiful inside. Just give it some time. And it should look really good, guys. Stay tuned. Definitely in the summer, this thing's gonna be awesome to be in. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and you'll see some other pretty cool content. Well, it's not pretty cool, it's really cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and throw in a like while you're at it. See you guys in the next one. I'm like Rudolph the reindeer out here.